My name is Kate Bolen. I'm a horticulture major here at SUNY Morrisville. I chose SUNY Morrisville because I had old classmates from my high school class that had gone here and who had told me that SUNY Morrisville was great for the horticulture program specifically. I chose to go here as a non-traditional student, initially in the one-year program with the cannabis certificate for specialty crops. I really enjoyed being down on the farm, and so I turned over to the four-year program in the bachelor's business management program. We have the means to prolong our seasons with the high tunnels that we have here. We're going to be planning for a later fall crop. Our incoming freshmen, our returning students, they're going to all be utilizing the crops that we've grown here down on the farm. I just picture that this farm will be a much bigger production in the future, so that's our hope for it anyway.